Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to optimize WooCommerce speed. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these steps. So here is a guide or an article talking about all the tips or mini tips that can be used to optimize your WooCommerce speed. And one of them is or the first thing that you can consider is to start choosing your hosting provider. So basically, there are many hosting providers in the market, and basically, as you can see, uh, the WP Engine e-commerce hosting would help you increase your website speed up to 40% and average sales up to 18% because more speed would equal kinda on more sales. And also you can start to have some server level caching that you can start configuring in your WooCommerce and start adding some CDN or content delivery network and also some other setups or configuration that you can use within your server or within your host provider. Another way to do it is to start using HTTP2, which is a faster protocol than the HTTP1. And basically, you will be needing to start using it by after that, you will start using some cache plugins. And there is many cache plugins that you can find in the plugins here. And you will need just to use some caching plugin so it can deliver some content easier and faster in your website. Also, you will need to make sure that you are using some lightweight themes that are not consuming too much or that's not executing too much animation or too much some JavaScript scripts. And also, you will need to reduce JavaScript execution time. And that can start from having some lightweight themes and some lightweight plugins that doesn't use mini scripts or some heavy scripts. And basically, those are some tips that you can try. Thank you for watching and see you next time.